In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix can't type in search bar or the search bar is not working in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed at the description box below. You would be able to see a command text there. All you need to do is you need to copy it. And once you have copied it, navigate to the keyboard and press Windows key and R key together. And in that way, you will be able to bring up a small window called Run. So here you need to hit the backspace to clear it, and by that make a right click and click on the paste. Once you have pasted this command text, which is C colon backward slash Windows backward slash system32 backward slash ctfmon.exe, click on OK. The moment you've clicked on it, your problem will be fixed. Okay? Another step that you can do is that you need to navigate here at the start, make a right click and click on Task Manager, or you can either press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the Task Manager window. Another step that you can do is that you can press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete key together, and you'll get a window where it asks you to choose for Task Manager. Just choose for Task Manager, and you would be able to bring up this window. So by that, please maximize it. And from here, you need to navigate with the left pane where you can see processes. Okay, click on this one. And the moment you've clicked on it, you need to look for Windows Explorer. Okay? So if you are having a hard time on finding the Windows Explorer, just navigate here at this search bar. Okay? Just navigate here and please type for Windows Explorer, and in that way you would be able to find it. Okay? So you can type here Explorer, and in that way you will be able to bring up this one, make a right click and click on restart. You may wonder why we need to restart the Windows Explorer. We need to restart the Windows Explorer because the moment we restarted it, our taskbar, especially our search bar, would be restarted as well. Okay? So it will refresh again, and definitely it will help you to fix the problem. Okay? So once you have restarted it, check if your search bar is not working. I'm sure it will be working this time. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.